keep reeling. You got him tired out now. Don't try to pull him out. Just get him up, just back up and get him up on the bank where you can get a hold of him by the lip. There you go. He's pretty fat, ain't he? Well, that's what happens when they get in the mud. All right. Good fish. That's a good fish. Yes, he is. That one there will go 2-3 pounds.